I know it's not Wednesday or October 3rd, but today I'm going to be showing you a fetch eyeshadow look. Today's eyeshadow look is going to be Mean Girls themed. I'm going to be using this palette that I got from my friend Anna for Christmas. Thank you so much, Anna. You know I love that movie. I show you all of the shades in here and give you all of the names, as well as show you how to complete this eyeshadow look. So if you want to see how I did this, make sure you keep on watching. Before we get into the look though, if you like this video or, you know, Mean Girls, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday, so now let's get into the look. Before we get into the eyeshadow look, we're just gonna go through the names and that kind of thing and just appreciate. Here's the outside packaging. And then whenever you open it up, it looks like this. So right here we have That's So Fetch, then I'm a Cool Mom, Cheese Fries, I'm a Mouse, duh, Queen Bee, You Go Glen Coco, Get In Loser, Rainbows and Smiles, Caltine, It's Wednesday, The Limit Does Not Exist, and What Day Is It? I just needed, obviously we're not gonna use all of the colors in today's look, but I just, you know, let's just take a second to appreciate these names because I know I do. So first off, we are going to take You Go Glen Coco right here as my transition shade with this brush. Surprise, surprise, it's sturdy. I'm just gonna tap and then tap off the excess as usual. And once again, of course, my eyes are primed with that Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer. If for some odd reason I do not mention that in a makeup tutorial, I literally always prime my eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer, so assume that I did and I just forgot to mention it. Also, I was testing out what I was going to do with today's look beforehand, and I still have a little bit of That's So Fetch right here. If you see that purple shade, I'm not going to be using that color today, so I will cover it up. And then same for the other eye. Also, I greatly appreciate this palette like so much, but some of the shades are kind of chalky. So there's fallout, just to let you guys know. So that is also why I'm doing my eye makeup once again before I do my face makeup, so I can clean it up easily with a makeup wipe. So next, as my all over lid color, I'm going to be taking this gunmetal color right here, which is called Queen Bee, and I'm just going to apply that with my ring finger and slide that on all over my lid. Now I'm going to go with my E34 brush and to the shade I'm a Mouse, duh, which I really want to get a shirt that says this for Halloween this year, and I really want to wear that to Halloween. Mean Girls is one of my favorite movies. I just don't think that you can see that movie too many times, to be honest. I wish that this was a little bit more pigmented, but I'm going to also go in with The Limit Does Not Exist to kind of deepen up the outer corner more, because unfortunately this isn't deepening up as much as I would have wanted to. So now I'm going to take The Limit Does Not Exist, which is this black color, and it's also, you know, the answer to Katie's math problem, which we all know that, of course. And I'm gonna try with the E34. I might switch to a different brush, but I'm gonna see what this does whenever I try to apply this on my outer corner to deepen up my crease a little bit. Yeah, that's coming off, that's good. So I'm just gonna put this on the very outer corner, as I said earlier, just to deepen up the crease. Just going to lightly blend this with this Luxie 243 brush. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that Queen Bee shade on my lid. Nice, nice. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be taking this E52 brush in this white shade right here. What day is it? Which for the true fans, we know the answer is October 3rd. And just slightly apply that on there, tap off the excess, and right below my eyebrows. So that is it for the eyeshadow right now. I'm going to do some of my face makeup and then I'll be right back. So now I have my base makeup done, which is just my foundation, concealer, and powder. I'm going to go in and finish with the eye look. I'm gonna try to apply the I'm a Mouse Duh shade right here on my lower lash line and see how that picks up, hopefully well. And I'm just gonna be using this small brush that I got in my Ipsy a while ago. Apply that very closely to my lower lash line. So now I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer with my F23 brush. Yes, I'm finally starting to memorize my brush names. I thought that the lighting was going to be a little bit better today, but nope, we're just gonna have another overcast day apparently. I feel like it was brighter earlier, but oh well. It is what it is. Cute, Hannah. For blush and highlight, I'm going to be using this Naked Flushed palette. You know, blush, highlight. And then I'm just going to be using this Eco Tools brush. My IT brush is for Ulta brush, fan brush to highlight. Yeah, this is a little bit more of a subtle highlight than what I have been using lately, but it's good, you know, to change it up every now and then. Before I go on with mascara, I am going to, you know, you guessed it, set my face with my All Nighter setting spray. And I'm going to apply mascara off camera and I'll be right back, but just, you know, in case anybody needs to know, we shouldn't be surprised. I'm going to be using my IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Okay, so we are almost done with this makeup look for lipstick today. I'm going to be using this Bite Beauty lipstick in the shade Heather. And then once again, I'm going to be lining my lips with this Lime Crime lip pencil in the shade Girl. I realize that I've used this a lot lately, but I really like this lip crayon. And just go over top with the lipstick. And also, I like this lipstick, just a side note, because it's very satisfying because it has a metal close. You saw, we all saw that. So that completes today's makeup look. The products that I can find, I will leave linked down below in the description box. If you liked this video, if you like Mean Girls in general, you know, if you've seen the movie before, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I post beauty videos every Monday and Friday. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.